Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from collegedunia.com. Today I am at Gujarat Power Engineering and Research Institute, which is located in Mehsana. Today we are having with Dr. Vikas Rawal sir. He is a head of department in Science and Humanity department. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So sir, starting with the questionnaire session, my first question to you is that being the head HOD of the Gujarat Power Engineering and Research Institute, what are your roles and responsibility toward the students?
It's a really important question. Our department is multidisciplinary department, and we teach subjects like English, communication skills, soft skills, CPDP, mathematics, and physics. So it is all important subjects as far as new education policy is concerned. New education policy focuses on multidisciplinary approach, and accordingly, we prepare the students for the same. Being the HOD of this department, it is my sole responsibility to make the students aware about these subjects and how the subjects are helpful in industry. Thank you.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So on that note, my next question to you is that what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Yeah, it is very important for any department that which best practices the department is following. Now, the Department of Science and Humanities is having well-equipped language lab with latest software. So we provide lots of practices related to language learning on this software, particularly in language lab. In physics, we have laboratory, and in mathematics, we have separate tutorial sessions. At the same time, we perform hands-on practices regularly. And one more important thing that the department has won GTU Pedagogical Innovation Award for its remarkable work in the field of language learning with the help of technology.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, what are your views upon the placement and higher education about the students from your department?
Yeah, so relevant question. I have read the Times magazine, and it was found that the survey conducted by the Times magazine, it was found that out of 10 important employability skills, 5 related to the field of humanities and science. So we are aware about this importance. So we prepare the students accordingly. We provide separate sessions on language learning, logical aptitude, numerical aptitude, and accordingly, we prepare the students for placement.
Very well said, sir. So on that note, my next question to you is, what are the challenges you face to uplift the quality of education of your department?
Yeah, it's an important question. This is general phenomena that the students are not taking the Department of Science and Humanities very seriously. They think that the subjects of humanities are only to pass the exam. So, being the faculty member of this department, I regularly interact with the student, and I also make them aware about the importance of these subjects in future. As far as placement is concerned, as far as overall development is concerned, I regularly interact with them and inform about all these things to the students.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So coming to the next question, what do you see the department's greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
Yeah. Our department consists of 3 faculty members, and all 3 faculty members are doctorate. So this is the greatest strength of our department. And we regularly involve ourselves in research work. We publish research papers. At the same time, we also pursue various research projects. This is the greatest strength of our department.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question to you is, do you have any extracurricular activities or a program to enhance the skill of students?
Definitely. We have co-curricular and extracurricular both activities conducted by the department regularly. For example, if I say that co-curricular activities, we have seminars, paper presentation related to the subjects of science and humanities. At the same time, we have extracurricular activities like poster making, Then we have a allocation competition, quiz competition. We have multiple competitions to enhance the employability skills of the students.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students? Sir, any
Yes.
suggestion?
Yes. As we all know very well that engineering means combination of hard skill, soft skills and life skills. So no one can forget the importance of soft skills and life skills. And we, the Department of Science and Humanities, prepare the students for soft skills and life skills. So this is my humble advice to all the students to give the importance to the departments of science and humanities and believe in holistic approach. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your department, science and humanities, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of College Dunia, sir. Thank you.
You're most welcome.